Welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss problem solving. Problem has to be seen as a package. Problem is seen as a package here. It contains two components. One is root cause, the other one is symptoms. The root cause and the symptoms, this combination is called as a problem. And as a business analyst, we need to identify the problem, that is, identify the root cause of the problem first, rather than just going after the symptoms. In any given problem, if we working towards the root cause, we will solve the problem permanently. But on the other hand, if we go after the symptoms, then it may be a kind of like a firefighting situation. Because we may solve one symptom today and several other symptoms may crop up subsequently. So what a business analyst should do? The first thing is, rather than trying to attempt to solve a problem, the business analyst need to identify what is the root cause of the problem. The root cause need to be addressed. The solution is for the root cause, not for the symptoms. What is the relationship between root cause and the symptoms? Symptoms are the external manifestations of the problem. Symptoms tell us that there is a problem, but the symptom need not have to be solved. When we address the root cause using the appropriate solution, the symptom will disappear on its own. There is no special precaution required or special measures required to address the symptoms. Our all effort need to address the root cause by identifying the appropriate solution. So for a given problem or given root cause, there may be multiple solutions possible. Now we have to go through the objectives. While applying the objectives for each of the solutions we have identified, we can identify the appropriate solution which meets the objective more closely. So, just to summarize, the root cause and the symptoms put together, it makes a problem. A problem is a combination of root cause and symptoms. As a business analyst, we need to identify the root cause and find the appropriate solution. Because finding the symptoms is very easy. Symptoms are externally visible. Symptoms are the external manifestations of the problem. But going after the symptom or trying to solve the symptom will be a futile exercise. The reason is the root cause remains the same. We try to solve one symptom and some other symptoms will come up. So as a business analyst, we need to be very clear on two things. One is identifying what is the root cause and then trying to identify the solution which meets the objectives more closer to solve the root cause. Now let us take a small example. A patient is walking into a clinic and he is going and sitting in front of the doctor. The doctor is asking the patient, "What's your problem?" The patient tells him that I'm suffering from breathlessness and tiredness. So the doctor, of course, knows he is a business analyst for the people, right? The doctor is the business analyst for the people. He elicits the requirements from the patient. So he is asking series of questions to the patient. He is asking him like, what is your kind of like, where do you live? What's the kind of work you are doing? So when he was doing this series of questioning, in one occasion, the patient tells him like, I'm working in a machining factory. The doctor asks him like, what do you machine? He says, I'm machining asbestos. So asbestos, now the doctor got a very clear clue that his symptoms are somewhere related to asbestos. And he's asking him like, how long you are working in this factory? He says, 5 years I'm working in this factory. So then the doctor is doing the proper diagnostics. He is running some tests on him and he is finding that this patient is suffering from asbestosis. So the breathlessness and growing weakness are the symptoms. The disease that is called asbestosis, which is coming because of which the patient got because of the asbestos particle gets into his lungs. It reduces the lung capacity altogether. So now the doctor found out the root cause. The root cause is the asbestosis disease or even working in that factory. So now, since the doctor identified this root cause, he will tell him, you stop working in that factory, and he should be given medication to improve his condition, for reducing the effect of asbestosis. But rather, if the doctor jumped on by saying like breathlessness and tiredness, if he gives a inhaler and some steroid tablets, maybe the doctor would have made his condition, the patient's condition, more worse, rather than improving him, right? So here in this example, what we discussed is the difference between root cause and the symptoms. Typically, people call it as a problem combined together. Or sometimes we refer the symptoms and call it as a problem. Sometimes we refer to the root cause and call it as a problem. But we have to keep in mind the problem is a package. It contains these two components, root cause and symptoms. Root cause is deep inside the shell, which is not easily visible, but symptoms are visible. So people tend to talk about a problem by using the symptoms, because symptoms are the one they are seeing outward, right? Outward you are seeing the symptoms are the external manifestation. So people see the symptoms clearly, easily, so they talk about that and they try to solve that symptom. That is not a proper problem solving method. The thing is, like, as a business analyst, most often we hear symptoms, and our job is to find out the root cause behind these symptoms, and we need to identify the appropriate solution. Thank you.